Hello and welcome everybody to another unboxing and first impressions video on a Masque Milano scent. So this is Ray-Flection by the brand Masque Milano. It's an Italian brand, of course, from Milan. The founder unfortunately passed away not too long ago. His name was, I think, Alessandro Brun or Brun. And the philosophy behind this brand actually is kind of similar to the one that Frederick Malle had in the beginning. So, sorry, excuse the noise. The brand puts the name of the perfumer on each of the scents, on the box and on the bottle itself. And also, one of the important parts was that for this collection, this opera collection, which is a collection, I think, of 4 acts, and each of them has like four perfumes or something. There's 16 perfumes. The budget for the perfumer was not limited, according to the founder. And this is one of the last 4 perfumes. And as you can see, there's like an alien with like a flower growing out of his head. Oh, Jesus Christ. We've had a Fragalanche. Luckily, it's a sturdy bottle. Okay, well, I guess you got to be careful with opening these because they can fall out. Good to know. Yeah, and this is how the bottle looks. And I think, yeah, there's the name of the perfumer, Alex Lee, on top. These bottles are 35 ml, extrait de parfum, I think, although it says 75% alcohol, and there's water in this. So not all of the 25% besides the alcohol is oil. Some of it is also water. Anyways, yeah, these are really pretty bottles, very heavy glass, you know, for 35 ml. And it says Masque Milano on here, and there's the, yeah, like I said, the name of the perfumer and the name of the perfume, Ray-Flection. And these caps are made from wood that is coated, so it's like a wooden cap with a black coating or paint. And these are really nice, apparently really nice sprayers from what I've heard. Anyways, this is my first scent from the brand, Ray-Flection. And this is supposed to be a very luminous scent. And the idea is mainly that it's a mimosa scent, and the mimosa is supposed to be an alien flower, according to Alex Lee, because not many people know about it, at least outside of maybe France. Let's give this a quick spray. Quick sprays. Yeah, the spray is really nice. They were in line about it, and see what I think about the scent. Oh yes, I think I'm getting some alcohol, something boozy. Gotta let that evaporate. But what I'm smelling besides that is really nice. And I know the notes. So for this one, I've seen the notes because they're on the box. And the notes are, for the head notes, it's Mandarin essence, sparkling aldehydes, and cardamom, pure jungle essence, trademark. Pure jungle, I think, is a trademark of, don't let me lie, is it Maine or is it IFF? It's one of those, I think it might be Maine, I'm not sure. It's one of those big brands, one of those big fragrance houses. And the hot notes are Mimosa Absolue from France, Violet Leaves Absolue, and Solar Rays Accord. I don't know what that is. And the bases are Beeswax Absolute, Cedarwood Essence, and Musk Accord. So I bought this because I like cardamom a lot, and I like the combination of cardamom, citrus, and violet leaf. Because I have another perfume, it's called La Ligue Plume Blanche, and that has the same combination for the top notes. And this, I get all of those notes, but this is distinctly different. So the violet leaves here are very pronounced along with the cardamom. And this mandarin orange aldehyde combination provides this sparkle in the air. It's very, 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 very sparkly. And the cardamom provides a certain coolness. So this smells really cool, really chilling, but bright. So it's bright and chilling. And there's a nuttiness coming there with the cardamom. This cardamom is different from other cardamoms I've smelled. This is not very dusty. This is a very deep, spicy cardamom. Of course, cardamom is a spice, but I think some of the cardamom that's used nowadays comes off rather dusty, sweet, slightly, to me, like a bit of a green apple smell, bit of citrus in the cardamom notes that I usually get. So it's oftentimes not very distinct. This smells more natural. It has some greenness to it as well. And it's so cooling together with these aldehydes. It's very impressive. And the violet leaves provide this very kind of, I think they might provide some of this ozonic feel. And I don't know where the nuttiness is coming from. It might be the cedar wood. And the honey in here so it's just beeswax. And it's a very, in top notes, it's a very subtle beeswax. It's very clean. And the beeswax is just like a beeswax candle. If you smell the beeswax candle, imagine that. That's the smell. Actually, it's interesting. It's almost as if you lit the beeswax candle. Together with the aldehydes and all of that. But it's so bright and modern. And the cedar wood's coming through. It provides like a very, like sun-bleached cedar wood. Like imagine a wood bench that's been baking in the sun and slightly dried out, because to me this smells rather dry. And then there's this mimosa that's like permeating everything together, that, has this very pretty, slightly almondy, floral. It's very citrusy too. And I think some of the citrusy notes don't come just from the mandarin orange. Something else in here. Maybe the mimosa itself has citrusy facets. So, and by the way, this is not very heavy. So I could see this going rather well for summer. It has this very bright and airy and cooling effect. So it probably will cool you down. So even if you have like you have notes that are rather sweet, so mandarin orange and beeswax maybe, although this is not a very sweet beeswax, it's not honey, this is the wax, and whatever, mimosa and those types of notes tend to suggest something very sweet, but I don't think this will get cloying. And this combination of the violet leaves and cardamom, it provides such a beautiful balance in the top note. It's so nice. I love this combination. And this lives up to it. And this smells nicer. It smells higher quality than the Lalique. The Lalique also works with florals, but it works with heliotrope and tonka. And it has more punch, maybe, I think. I want to say that the Lalique is a little bit more full-bodied. And this is more sparkly, ethereal. And oh yeah, I think this is really gonna grow on me. It smells very natural. It's so it feels like the amount of components in here. So the amount of ingredients doesn't feel like it's a lot, but each of the ingredients is the way it's been extracted feels like it has lots of different molecules in it. So it provides a very complex and very nuanced picture. Let's read through the description real quick on the website. So they say, first of all, this is Italian. I will attempt the Italian part. Ray-Flection. Un fiore alieno. Okay, this is the alien flower. Scaldato dalla luce che lui stesso irradiava, scioliendosi diventava miele. So there's something with honey, something radiant. I butchered it. I'm very sorry to all Italian viewers and everybody that speaks Italian. There was no offense meant with that. I enjoy attempting to pronounce languages. I give it my all, but I don't speak Italian. I learned Latin in school, but that's all. Okay, Act 4, Scene 2. So it is divided into acts and scenes, and in each act has 4 scenes, so it's 4 by 4. A dream, a flower with an incredibly intense smell, and humongous. Wow, I don't know if that's been translated. Maybe it sounds better in Italian. Not a normal flower, one that you can find on Earth. This flower was emitting a surprisingly bright light. As the time passed by and the light grew even more dazzling, the flower starts melting, dripping like honey from a rich and mellow honeycomb. For this new chapter of the collection, we decided to create an alien flower, a floral perfume that has never been smelled before. And I think there's something to it, right? Because mimosa is not a very common floral note used in perfumery. I think it's not part of the classic floral. Oh yeah, and now the mimosa I think is coming out more. It has a slight fruitiness, something very, very light, almost tropical. Yeah, it's almost tropical fruits, but not like cloying, not like thick, not like syrupy. This is airy and dry and bright and sparkly. It's really beautifully composed. This is a really, really nice work, and I'm really impressed by the scent for now. So check this one out if you can. If that sounds at all interesting to you, if you think you want to try something like this, and if you have already tried it, let me know. Let me know which scents of the brand I should be checking out. I know there's a couple of very popular ones like Tango and Russian Tea, and those sound interesting to me. I might grab the 10 mils of those. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching again. We will see each other in the next video. Have a great day.